9 signs your body is missing vitamin E. Vitamin E is commonly found in skin and hair care products. But have you ever considered why? Vitamin E is essential for healthy body functioning. There are serious side effects to not getting enough. This video will discuss 9 symptoms of a vitamin E deficiency. Is a shortage of vitamin A to blame for your muscles' weakness and cramping? Does it affect your ability to fight off illness? How does it affect your eyesight? All of these topics and more will be discussed. Let's begin. Number 1. Numbness and tingling. Do you frequently experience tingling in uncharacteristic places? Have you ever felt tingling or burning anywhere on your body? A lack of vitamin E may be to blame. The neurons in your brain and nervous system are the fundamental cells. Your entire body receives impulses from them. Lipids, which make up the majority of neurons, are antioxidant, protected. Therefore, when vitamin E is lacking in the body, the protection afforded to these lipids is compromised. This disrupts the normal operation of your nervous system. This is how insufficient vitamin E affects nerve cells and impedes their ability to communicate. There are a number of problems brought on by the break in continuity of communication. The unusual feelings you're having in your body are one of them. These manifest as numbness, tingling, and burning sensations. Vitamin E is a nutrient that can be easily obtained through food sources. Vegetable oils, like olive oil, are plentiful. Including nuts and seeds in your regular diet is highly recommended. If you feel numb or tingly, try getting some exercise. It will enhance your circulation and provide relief from your soreness. If you notice numbness around your fist, merely tighten it and then unclench. In certain circumstances, rolling your head from side to side can help. Number 2. Trouble seeing. Do you frequently find yourself squinting when reading? Get your eyes checked out now. It's surprising how much vitamin E deficiency can mess with your eyesight. Several studies have demonstrated that vitamin E performs a significant function in boosting your vision. Vitamin E may prevent chemicals from damaging your eye tissues from entering your cells. Retinal degeneration occurs when vitamin E deficiency causes the inner retina to thin. If your vitamin E levels are out of balance, it can cause night blindness or even total blindness. Number 3. Difficulties walking. Trouble getting around or using the stairs? Is it as if all of a sudden your reflexes have gone haywire? Perhaps you need to up your vitamin E intake. A lack of vitamin E can affect reflexes and coordination. Weakness and trouble walking are the results of this condition. But how does this actually occur? To understand the full picture, you must accept that vitamin E is an important antioxidant for your body. Its lack can lead to the destruction of particular neurons, compromising their ability to transmit impulses. And when your neurons are unable to interact properly, there are coordination difficulties in your body. The same thing happens in any system when messengers fail to deliver messages. Adults with a vitamin E deficiency are unusual. In most cases, it is caused by a disorder in adults. Inadequate fat digestion or absorption, as seen in conditions like Crohn's disease, can also lead to a vitamin A deficiency. Infants have a much higher rate of vitamin E deficiency. It's a genetic predisposition for some of them. Anemia is a serious risk for premature infants who don't get enough vitamin E. Number 4. Weakness in the muscles. Have you been experiencing unexplained periods of weakness and exhaustion? Indeed, unexpected things can and do happen, and there are times when it becomes quite tense. It's natural to feel exhausted at the end of a long workday. However, you should be worried if your tiredness persists for a long time. Your digestive system may be trying to tell you something. You most likely have a vitamin E deficiency. To what end, though? Well, vitamin E is a must for healthy brain and nerve function. In fact, it's a crucial antioxidant that your body can't function without. Lack of this vital vitamin can lead to oxidative stress in the body. As a result, the muscles become feeble. In addition, you might have a mild case of anemia. Vitamin E has been shown to be effective in both warding off and treating anemia, according to research. How, you may ask? Red blood cells, which carry hemoglobin, are essential to life. Hemoglobin is responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Vitamin E is a major aid in the production of red blood cells. In addition to expanding blood vessels and preventing blood clots inside them, vitamin E also aids the body in utilizing vitamin K. When your body doesn't have enough red blood cells, oxygen can't reach all of your organs and tissues. This condition is known as anemia. This leads to a state of vulnerability, and as a result, you're worn out all the time. Number 5. Cramps in the muscles. Have you ever experienced cramping in your legs from sitting still for too long? Muscle cramps are excruciatingly painful. There may or may not be pins and needle sensations associated with them. You feel it without any muscle strain or pressure. If you frequently experience muscle cramps, try increasing your vitamin E intake. Not getting enough of this crucial vitamin could be the root of this issue. But what is the link between the two? A muscle cramp is essentially an involuntary and severe contraction of one or more of your muscles. This Charlie horse might startle you up quickly at night or make you stop in your tracks. It can strike any muscle at any time of day or night and without notice. Muscle cramps are a known, painful, and bothersome condition. Vitamin E aids in the development of strong muscles and the smooth transfer of signals between nerve fibers, and when there isn't enough of it, things go bad. Vitamin E supplements have been shown to be effective in treating people with leg cramps, according to research. It's also helpful for people who suffer from restless leg syndrome and need some relief from the condition. Staying hydrated and eating healthy can help you avoid this. Number 6. Dry skin and hair loss. There is a reason most skin and hair brands brag about having vitamin E in their products. Because vitamin E is extremely beneficial to your skin, hair, and nails. Stop worrying if you're scared and losing hope because of dry skin and hair loss. Increasing your vitamin E intake through your diet could be a game changer. It will not only hydrate and nourish your skin, but it will also protect it from harmful UV rays. Choose natural skincare products with vitamin E listed as one of the first 5 ingredients. Avocado oil, which is high in vitamin E, will nourish your skin and scalp. Massage almond oil into your cuticles to help your nails grow strong and beautiful. Your hair will be more hydrated and healthier when you put vitamin E oil on your scalp. By reducing oxidative stress, it will reduce hair loss and promote growth. Number 7. Defense mechanisms. Do you want to boost your immunity? Make sure you're getting enough vitamin E in your diet. Vitamin E enhances immunity by assisting in the formation of antibodies that fight infections. According to research, if you are deficient in vitamin E, it will take longer for you to heal from any disease or injury. Because vitamin E promotes cell division, your body will take longer to recover. Vitamin E deficiency harms immunological cells, especially in the elderly. Vitamin E has been shown in studies to help with diabetes management. Because of its high vitamin E content, this essential vitamin aids in blood sugar control. Want to enhance your immunity even more? Make sure you're getting enough sleep, managing your stress, exercising regularly, and eating healthy fats. Number 8. You have a compromised digestive system. Wait, what? How does vitamin E affect your digestive system? Vitamin E influences the formation of beneficial microorganisms in your stomach. These beneficial bacteria are essential for your digestive system. Researchers discovered that taking vitamin E supplements can greatly increase the activity of digestive enzymes. This means you get a rock-solid digestive system. Do you want to know what to eat to obtain extra vitamin E? Begin by including more green vegetables in your meals. They are abundant in this great vitamin. Fruits like papaya and avocados are fantastic too. Number 9. Your wounds take longer to heal. Yes, vitamin E can help you heal your wounds faster. A new study has demonstrated that using vitamin E supplements can help heal wounds faster. Wound healing is a complex process that involves blood cells, your immune system, and tissues. Your body will have a difficult time recovering from injuries if you are deficient in this vitamin. Your skin cells and tissues will not function properly, and your immune system is already compromised. How much vitamin E do I need daily? The recommended daily allowance of vitamin E is 4 mg for men and 3 mg for women. You can get all the vitamin E you need from the food you eat. Vitamin E is stored in the body for later use, so it is not necessary to consume it on a daily basis unless you have a deficiency. When should I see my doctor? Consult your doctor if you have symptoms of a vitamin E deficiency, or if you have a condition that impairs your body's ability to absorb fat. The best treatment for your vitamin E deficiency will be decided by your doctor. In some cases, a doctor may recommend a high-dose supplement or a water-soluble vitamin E supplement in addition to dietary adjustments. Vitamin E supplements are safe, but only if taken under a doctor's watchful eye. Do you believe you might have a vitamin E deficiency? Will you be adding more green vegetables to your everyday diet? Please let us know in the comment section below. We would be delighted to hear from you.